In this video, I'll show you how to share internet from one laptop to another using a LAN cable. It's quick, easy, and doesn't require a router. What you'll need two laptops, one with an active internet connection and an Ethernet cable. First, connect the Ethernet cable between the two laptops. Laptop 1 Network Settings. On the laptop that has internet access, open Network Connections. Open the Wi-Fi adapter properties. Go to the Sharing tab. Allow other network users to connect through this computer internet connection and choose the Ethernet adapter and click OK. IP address change pop-up confirmation will be open. Press Yes to confirm. Second Laptop Network Settings. On the second laptop, open Network Connections. Go to Ethernet Properties. Then go to TCP IPv4 and select Obtain IP address automatically. And press OK button to save settings. Test the internet. Open a web browser. If everything is configured correctly, the internet should be working. Open any website and check internet should start working. That's it. You've successfully shared internet from one laptop to another using a LAN cable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.